Hello everyone, in this video I want to explain about how to protect yourself from hacking. Many hackers create fake web pages or fake pages to hack others' account. So there are mainly 3 tips to identify the fake pages. In this video I want to explain about those 3 tips to identify the fake pages. So whenever we open Chrome or Google, so at the top of the page you can observe this box. So first, to identify fake pages there are mainly 3 things. One is protocol and one is SSL and other is correct domain name. So what is this protocol? So in fake pages there will be HTTP, but in original page there will be HTTPS. So if you identify whether it is HTTPS or HTTP, you can identify that whether it is fake page or whether it is original page. So here we can observe that there is HTTPS, so it is original page. And second one is SSL, that means log symbol. So there will be log symbol in original page which will be not there in fake page. So here you can observe this log symbol. So if you identify the log symbol, then it is original page or else it is fake page. And third one is correct domain name in address bar. So if you open Google, then you will observe google.com in original page, where fake pages will have some other domain. So here you can observe that here google.com. In fake pages we will observe some other domain. So if you identify these 3 things, then you can easily identify whether it is a fake page or original page. We should not enter our Gmail or enter our password in fake pages because hackers will hack our passwords. So identify the fake pages and protect yourself from hackers. For example, if you observe this picture, here there is no log symbol. You can observe there is round symbol here. So it is fake page. And here there is no HTTPS also. So it is fake page. And here there is no domain name also. So it is fake page. So if you observe this one, it is real page. Because here you can observe HTTPS. Here there is log symbol and here there is google.com also. So these 3 things, HTTPS, log symbol, Google domain name, help us to identify whether the page is original page or fake page. Hope this video will helpful to identify the fake pages and to protect from hackers. Thank you for watching my tutorial.